Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So to end our little Japanese theme week with Japanese themed cocktails made with Japanese spirits and a lot of Japanese ingredients, we're going to do a Japanese old-fashioned, right? We're going to use some good Japanese whiskey, some Hibiki, Japanese Harmony. And first thing we're going to do is we're going to add 2 ounces of our Japanese whiskey. If you have a favorite Japanese whiskey, I suggest you use that. Next, we're going to do a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Just a 1/4, just a little bit. You can use sugar if you would like, a sugar cube. We're going to be more traditional. Last, we're going to go with 2 dashes of our Angostura Bitters. Just 2 dashes. 2. Give this a good stir. For a little extra chill, put a little ice, get a little stir. We're going to pour it in a rocks glass. So let's strain it. Actually, first what we're going to do is get our orange. You can use a peel if you would like, but I like these dehydrated oranges. There you have it. A Japanese old-fashioned. It starts with the whiskey. Hibiki is a really, really, really good Japanese whiskey. It's sweeter, not as peaty as like some Japanese whiskeys, because Japanese whiskeys are similar to scotches. This is a well-balanced, one of the best old fashions that are just regular old fashions. You know, it's whiskey and sugar and bitters, not like with the fancy stuff when I do like the fat wash or anything like that, right? Those are all good. And that espresso one is a really good one. Check that video out. But this is such a well-balanced, tasty old-fashioned. So don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.